So we're out here on the course again, and we're looking at the new Ping Glide 4.0 wedge. These have just come into the pro shop, and I've got the demo wedge out here, and we're going to be hitting some shots. So, really nice looking wedge again from Ping. They've improved on the last year's, well, year before's 3.0 wedge. Quite a lot of technology in the head. They've got a little insert in here in the head. A weight insert helps to move the centre of gravity, helps with the general weighting of the club head. But one of the biggest things I've seen from Ping on this wedge is the groove formation. So what they've done is on the longer, on the more lofted wedges, like your 50 degree, your 48, your 52, they've actually got a different groove pattern or groove radius and side wall depth to what you'd have in the higher lofted, so your 54, 56 and 60. They've done that to improve long game performance on the more lofted wedges, less lofted wedges, and for around the greens, create a more spin on the short shots. So yeah, worth going on the website and reading exactly what they've done there, but it's interesting how they've changed that. They've also, on the face, they've like blasted the face to give it a sort of a texture, and you can feel the texture on there as well. This is going to massively increase the spin rate you get on the ball and improve that stopping power. So yeah, I mean, it's just worth hitting some chip shots around the green and just see how they feel. Right, so Ping Glide 4.0 bunker play. Now, Ping have made awesome wedges for bunker play. It's always so nice to hit a Ping wedge out of the bunker. They're just the way the sole's built. It just seems to glide through the sand nicely. Obviously, they come with different bounce options for your bunker technique, whether you're steep, shallow, however you like to play them. I normally like a shallower wedge. This is actually, in terms of bounce, this has got 12 degrees of bounce. It's a bit too much for the way I like to play them, but I'm going to hit a shot anyway. Let's just see how they feel. I mean, they look nice, and when you open the face up to play this shot, definitely looks like the leading edge sits nice tight to the ground. Let's play one and see. Yeah, felt good. Again, it's got that Ping feel for wedges. It just glides through the sand and the ball just pops up nicely. And for me, for someone that plays a low bounce, that felt really good. Again, nice divot there, just come across the ball slightly, popped it up. Really high soft shot. We've got the 56 degree here and the Ping Glide 4.0, and we're going to hit more or less a full shot here. Get us into wind a little bit. So this is 56. I play a 54 in my wedges, so I don't have a 56. My 54 goes full swing about 100, 105. Full wedge swing. So this, I imagine at 56 degrees, probably going to be 97, 98. So this is 78 yards into wind, so it's probably not going to play far off a full shot. So I'm going to just see what this feels like on this wedge. They can always feel a bit different from one wedge to another on full shots. I know my Titleist wedges, there's technology in them which helps them with the feel of full shots. This one, because they've changed the groove pattern in the more lofted wedges, so it helps for those small spinning shots around the green. I wonder what this is going to feel like for a full shot. So 78. Yeah, felt pretty good. I think that's good for distance. Nice interaction with the ground actually, and look at the divot, nice sort of shallow divot there. This has got a little bit more bounce on than I'd normally use, but felt good through the ground there. Okay. I'm really happy with the shot I've hit there into this flag with that 56-degree wedge. Again, we've got quite a bit of wind out here today, and just feels really nice to control. Again, in their marketing or in their design, Ping say that in the high lofted wedges, they've changed the groove pattern. In the lower lofted wedges, so like your gap wedge or pitching wedge, they've got a different groove pattern again. One's to aid with distance full swing shots, and the other one in the more lofted club is to aid with spin around the greens. I didn't really feel that the flight was different on the higher lofted club, like the sand wedge, hitting a full shot, and yeah, the result's great. Distance control was nice, and again, happy to use these on the golf course.